Christopher, hi. Christopher, what does a cow say?
Moo.
Yeah.
Christopher, what does a chicken say?
What does a chicken say? What's a chicken say?
What? Christopher, what does a snake say? Christopher, what does a snake say?
Come here. Come here. What does a monkey say, Christopher?
What does elephant sound like?
Okay, Christopher, what does a doggy say? What does a cat say? Meow, yeah. What does a lion say? What's a dinosaur say? Whoa. What does
a T-Rex say?
What does a spider say? Because Christopher doesn't know, so he makes it up. Christopher, what does a zebra say?
What does a camel say? Christopher, what does a hare say?
No, ask him actual animals. What does a bird say? Okay.
Christopher, what does a dog say? Christopher, what does a howler monkey say?
Okay.
Okay, that's close to a howler monkey.
Oh my. Okay. What does
A bumblebee.
what does a deer say? Not ear, deer. What does
a ear say?
What does a turkey say? A what? What's a turkey say? Tick-tock. I don't know about that. What does a leopard say? What does an armadillo say, Christopher?
All right, we're done.
Okay, we gotta go. Bye. Say bye. Say bye. Kissy. Say bye. We're going to the beach. We gotta go. He doesn't care.